Hello, I'm Jill Randall, and this is my project for Screencast. For this project, I chose to compare two job search websites, Monster.com and ZipRecruiter.com. I'd used neither one before this assignment. I compared the sites in 10 categories, making an account, email verification, uploading a resume, creating a profile, updating and rating skills, editing the resume, searching job listings, applying for a job, ease of access to secondary testing and questions, and uploading additional documents. Both sites had similar scores in email verification, uploading a resume, searching job listings, applying for a job, and ease of access to secondary information. Monster scored higher in profile creation, skill evaluation, and got a perfect score for ease of editing one's profile/resume. ZipRecruiter's only advantage over Monster was that one can post references on one's profile, which was not an option on Monster. Now I'll walk us through some of these screenshots that I have. This is the email verification here is fairly straightforward. They send you a code or a link. And then we get down here, and that's uploading a resume. It's fairly straightforward. You just go into browse and find your document and upload it. This was building the profile. Now, this is an important part because this is one of the places where Monster really blew ZipRecruiter out of the water in that this just looks much more professional than this, at least to me. Let's keep going here. This is evaluating one's skills. This is a sliding scale, and these are things like knowing how to use a phone system, proficiency in the different programs in Microsoft Office, etc. Task 6, here we go. Editing the resume. This was another place where Monster outdid ZipRecruiter by quite a bit. Just click on that, click on that. Both websites scored in task 7 and 8 fairly evenly. The outside questions, this on Monster was a link to an outside employment site that you filled out this application for. This happened to be a Les Schwab job. And then the other usually that happens is that this employer has a questionnaire for the applicant to fill out to see if they're a good fit. The last task was uploading a cover letter or other documents. This screenshot here from Monster says it's not possible there, but Monster does have the ability to upload a reference. Overall, Monster.com scored higher than ZipRecruiter with a summary score of 4.19 out of a possible 6, compared to ZipRecruiter's 3.72 out of 6. It's only the difference of about half a point, but that half point is more significant than it seems. Monster has the edge over ZipRecruiter because of the professional appearance of one's profile on the site, so when employers go looking for qualified people, they are met with a concise summary. What impressed me was that in the process of setting up my account, Monster generated a gorgeous resume. It looks far better than the one I had compiled myself. I think this is beautiful. Plus, all I have to do is go in Monster, edit my profile, click the button, and generate a new resume that has the updated information on it instead of having to go into Word and realign everything. No, I really liked Monster.com, and I will be using it in the future when I start looking for jobs after I finish school. Thank you for listening, and have a nice day.